This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening the clock app and selecting the Alarm tab. This is where all alarms live. Tap the plus button to create a new alarm, then use the time picker to set the exact hour and minute. Make sure AM or PM is correct or enable 24-hour mode in settings. Once the time is set, consider repeat options now so you don't have to edit later. This saves steps and prevents missed alarms. Next, customize how that alarm behaves and sounds so it grabs your attention. Tap Label to name the alarm. This tells you why it rings. Then choose sound to pick a tone, song, or vibration pattern, because different sounds trigger different responses. Enable snooze if you want quick extra minutes, and adjust ringer and alerts volume in settings to make sure the alarm is audible. Once done, double-check repeat and bedtime integrations if you use them to avoid overlaps. Save the alarm and confirm the toggle is on in the alarm list. That ensures it will fire. Once saved, test it by setting a 1-minute alarm so you can confirm volume and sound choice without waiting. If the alarm doesn't sound, make sure focus or do not disturb isn't silencing alarms, check silent mode and volume, and confirm the alarm is not set for the wrong day. If problems persist, restart the phone and recheck clock permissions to resolve sticky issues.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.